guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with day 21 of our diamond painting advent calendar. Can you believe it is day 21 already? I cannot believe it. That is absolutely crazy. So let's poke it through and pull it back. Give him a little tilt. Ooh, hit the camera. Hit the camera. Now it's officially my video. And we have another Scooter Santa. Is this the one that's on the cover? Yeah. This is the one that we've been looking at on the cover all the time. So this is little Scooter Santa with the blue gems. And, super cute. So, I think this is going to be really adorable. I might give this one as a gift to my cousin. I have two cousins who love scooters. And last year I gave them keychains of Santas on scooters. And they really liked them. So I might give them the two scooters this year too. I'm not sure. Anyway, let me work on this. And you guys will listen to the music. And I'll watch TV. And then we'll come back together and talk about the finished part. All right. All right, guys, so we are finished with our Santa on a scooter. He is adorable, and he's going to be even more adorable once we peel this backing off. And let's see if I can get this backing off. Here we go. Yay! So that makes him really shimmer and sparkle because it lets the light through. Look at that. He's super cute. I really like this. I think one of these are going to my cousin. Well, one of each of them. Two scooters, two cousins. I remember one of them got the one with the weaving beard last time, so she'll get this one this time. So super cute. All right, so that is it for day... Oh, wow, that was day 21. And now we just have one more row to go. Oh, my goodness. Christmas is coming. I love Christmas, you guys. And these advent calendars are so much fun. I hope you're enjoying them as much as I am. If you are, please hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And thank you so much for your support. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and Merry Christmas. Bye, guys. Ho, ho, ho. Vroom.